name is Anna Edwards, and I'm the Education Coordinator at the Iredell Soil and Water Conservation District. My coworkers and I work very, very hard to encourage the wise use and management of natural resources. Now you're probably wondering, what are natural resources? What we like to deal with particularly, air, animals, plants, soil, and water. And today, specifically, we're going to be talking about animals. We're going to be talking about animal tracks. Animal tracks can tell us a lot. What kind of animal it was, where the animal is going, where it was coming from. A lot like human footprints. If you and I were to walk in a muddy place, which you're about to see, it's very muddy out here from the rain that we just recently had, you'll be able to see a lot of my footprints, and I've actually scoped out some deer prints for you. But I say it's similar to footprints because, just like us, we leave footprints or shoe prints, the bottom of what our tennis shoes looks like, on the mud. Animals do the same thing. Alright guys, we are up and moving. We have found some good stuff. Let's take a look. Alright guys, so if you look very closely at the ground here, you'll see there's lots of tracks. And they almost look like little hoof prints. So just as before, like I said that you could follow the tracks, see where they were coming from, we're going to follow these tracks.